Welcome to Decoding for Kids. The idea of this channel is to introduce coding to kids at early stage. In this video, we are going to see a new game which is Code a 3D Space Invaders game. By playing this game, kids will get an understanding of how coding blocks work. Now let's play step 1 to 5 in this video. Okay guys, now open a new Chrome browser and type Hover of Code. In this, click the first link. Now here you can change the languages to what you want. Now I'm changing it to English. And in for students, click explore activities. Yeah, here now I'm going to play the game Code a 3D Space Invaders game. Now click this and give start.
Welcome to the Space Invaders.
Yeah, this is a demo video for step 1. If you want, you can watch the video or just skip the video. Yeah, the step 1 is move the spaceship and collect the coin. Give start coding. Yeah, if you see in the right side, this is the spaceship, and this is the coin. You're going to collect this coin. You're going to make the spaceship move right. Here, the instructions given is move the spaceship to the right and collect the coin. Place the move spaceship right block inside the when click block and click on the run button to run the code. So I'm placing this move spaceship right block here, and this is nothing but the background music. So I'm placing this block over here. If you want, you can change the theme to what you want. Now if you click the run button and click on the right arrow, you can collect the coin. Yeah, that's it. Click continue to go to the next step. Yeah, the step 2 is move the spaceship using your keyboard buttons. Give start coding. The instructions given is move the spaceship left or right using the left or right arrow keys on your keyboard. Place the move space right block inside the when right arrow click block. So they have given two new blocks, when left arrow clicked and when right arrow clicked. So I'm placing this move spaceship left inside this block and move spaceship right inside this block. Already they have placed the background theme. You can change the theme if you want. Now if you click the run button and using the right and the left arrow keys, you can collect the coins. You see the coins are collected. Click continue to go to the next step. This is step 3. Step 3, your mission is fire lasers from the spaceship to destroy the alien invaders. Just start coding. The instructions given is make the spaceship fire lasers towards the alien invaders when the space key is pressed. Move the spaceship and collect the coins to go to the next step. Make the alien invaders throw fireballs at the spaceship when the game starts running. So here also they have given two new blocks. When space key is pressed, the mission is your spaceship should fire lasers. So I'm placing this block inside the space key press block, and the alien invader should throw fireballs while the game is running. So I'm placing this block over here. So now if I click the run button, you can see the spaceship firing fireballs. Click continue to go to the next step. This is step 4. Step 4 is to destroy the alien invaders when the laser collides with it. Give start coding. The instructions given is now that your spaceship can fire lasers, these lasers can hit and destroy alien invaders. Destroy at least 3 invaders to move to the next step. Place the destroy alien invader block in the when lasers hit alien invaders block. So here the mission is to destroy 3 alien invaders. Then only you can go to the next step. So when lasers hit an alien invader, you're going to destroy. So I'm placing this block inside this and I'm going to place the background sound over here and you can change the theme and I'm placing this block over here. This is also just a background music. If you want, you can change that. Now if you click the run button and using the space key, you're going to, yeah, you have destroyed 3 alien invaders. So you can go to the next step. This is step 5. Step 5, your mission is to increase your score as you destroy more enemies. Okay, start coding. Here the instructions is variables can help you store values in them. Click on create variable button and create a variable named score. Place the set score inside the when run click block and set the score value to 0. Here you are going to create a new variable named score. So you're going to give create variable. If you create a variable, 3 new blocks have been created, which is set score, change score, and a score block. So first you're going to set the score to 0 when the play button is clicked. So I'm placing this 0 block over here. When the lasers are hitting the alien invaders, your score should change. So I'm placing this change score inside this block and changing the score by 5. So now if you click the run button, you can see the variable created on the top, which is named as score. And when you fire the lasers, your score will increase. Yeah, your score got increased by 15. Yeah, that's it, guys. Step 1 to 5 is completed. To continue, watch my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.